Which national park was declared 50th Tiger Reserve of India in 2025? Correct option is A. Madhav National Park. Which country held the primary presidency of the Anti-Corruption Working Group during the G20 summit in 2025? Correct option is C. South Africa. The ozone layer acts as Earth's natural sunscreen, shielding living organisms from which harmful solar radiation? Right option is D. Ultraviolet radiation. Under the new tax regime in India, up to what annual income will no income tax be levied for a resident individual? Correct option is C. 12 lakh rupees. In which part of the female body is the copper teat typically inserted and used for contraception? Right option is D. Uterus. In which city was the 10th Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog held on 24th May? Correct option is B. New Delhi. What fundamental particle did J.J. Thomson discover? Correct option is A. Electron. Which Indian naval ship primarily participated on behalf of India in the JMX 25 exercise held in October? Correct option is D. INS Sahyadri. If the velocity of an object is doubled, by how many times does its kinetic energy increase? Right option is C. 4 times. Who won the Sportsperson with a Disability award at the 2025 Laureus World Sports Awards? Right option is C. Jiang Yuan. Which of the following does not have a membrane? Correct option is A. Ribosomes. Which Indian Navy ships participated in Operation Brahma in March to provide relief supplies to Myanmar? Correct option is B. INS Satpura and INS Savitri. When sodium reacts with chlorine to form common salt, which type of chemical bond is formed? Correct option is B. Ionic bond. When is World Malaria Day observed globally every year? Right option is C. On 25th April. Which of the following is the most reactive metal? Right option is D. Potassium. Which ministry mainly issues the Air Quality Index in India? Correct option is D. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Which tissue primarily enables aquatic animals to swim in water? Correct option is B. Muscle tissue. Which facility was inaugurated by General Upendra Dwivedi at IIT Madras in August to bridge academic research and military needs? Correct option is A. Agni Shodh, the Indian Army Research Cell. Which option shows the correct order of decreasing reactivity for potassium, magnesium, zinc and aluminium? Correct option is D. Potassium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc. What new motto did the Lokpal of India officially adopt in June? Right option is C. Empower citizens, expose corruption. An object starts from rest and attains a speed of 60 meters per second in 5 minutes. What will be its acceleration? Right option is B. 0.2 meter per square second. In June, India's GRSE signed MOU with which country for the construction of its first indigenous polar research vessel? Correct option is B. Norway. Which plant structure primarily helps aquatic plants float on water? Correct option is D. Parenchyma. Gregor Mendel studied how many contrasting characteristics in his pea plant experiments? Correct option is C. 7. Under which scheme were about 18,000 villages electrified in India? Right option is B. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. Which type of joint involves ligaments connecting bone to bone and contains synovial fluid within a joint capsule? Correct option is A. Synovial joint. Where is the center of curvature of a concave mirror located? Correct option is D. in front of the mirror at a distance of 2 f from the pole. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct option is D, 30th. In which state will India's first PM Mitra Park be built? Correct option is C, Madhya Pradesh. Which medal did the Indian hockey team win in the Women's Asia Cup 2025? Correct option is C, silver medal. Who launched the Never Alone AI app? Correct option is B, AIMS Delhi. Which government declared 2025 as the Year of Urban Development in October? Correct option is A, Gujarat. Who has written the book Operation Sindoor? Correct option is B, KJS Dhillon. According to the Civil Registration System report, which state recorded the lowest sex ratio at birth in 2023? Correct option is C, Jharkhand. Which country has announced the development of its first indigenous malaria vaccine at Filcivax? Correct option is C, India. Where did the 28th National Conference on E-Governance 2025 begin? Correct option is D, Visakhapatnam. What is the mascot of the 11th Asian Aquatics Championships 2025? Correct option is A, Jalveer. The RRB-Serang railway line connects which northeastern capital to the Indian railway network for the first time? Correct option is C, Aswal. In which country did India's first overseas Atal Innovation Centre open? Correct option is B, Abu Dhabi. Where was the world's first digital tribal university, Adi Sanskriti, launched? Correct option is C, New Delhi. Who won the men's singles title at the French Open 2025? Correct option is D, Carlos Alcaraz. Who inaugurated Semicon India 2025 at Yashobhoomi in New Delhi? Correct option is A, Narendra Modi. India's first port-based green hydrogen pilot project was inaugurated in which state? Correct option is C, Tamil Nadu. Where was the 21st edition of the exercise Yuddh Abhyas between India and US held? Correct option is D, Alaska, USA. What is the name of India's first indigenously manufactured chip? Correct option is C, Vikram 3201. Which became the first Indian organization to win the Ramon Magsaysay Award 2025? Correct option is B, Educate Girls. Who won the SAFF Under-17 Women's Championship 2025 title? Correct option is A, India. Which is the best institute in India in NIF ranking 2025 released by the Ministry of Education? Correct option is A, IIT Madras. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated which bridge on the river Ganga on 22nd August, which is the widest bridge in Asia? Correct option is D, Onta Simria Bridge. Who has become the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force? Correct option is C, Sonali Mishra.